Okay, so today I'm making bubble and squeak, made with leftover vegetables and some mashed potato. So all we need to do is fry off some onion, pop it in there with the mashed potato, and all your leftover veggies, pop it in there, mix them all up. Okay, once it's all combined, make into little patties and heat up a frying pan and pop them on. Okay, once you've pan fried it, you can have it with sausages or you could have it with an egg. I like it with crispy onions on top and loads of gravy. And there you go. Enjoy.